everyone, and welcome to another cooking episode. This will be a two-part video where we divide this amazing dough into two portions. In this video, we will be making bacon and cheese pizza. Here is the list of ingredients. We'll start off by adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour in our mixing bowl. And add in your active dry yeast, sugar, and salt. Give it a quick mix using your whisk. Now let's add in our wet ingredients, 1 tablespoon of oil. For your warm water, add half a cup first and knead for about 2 minutes. And then add the remaining half a cup of warm water and continue kneading. Just to note that flour varies from one geographical region to another and can be different from brand to brand. So if you find the dough quite dry, feel free to add a tablespoon of water at a time until you get the right consistency. When you're done kneading, add about a tablespoon of olive oil onto your dough. This helps prevent the dough from drying and getting cracks when it starts to rise during the proofing stage. Slightly oil the sides of your bowl as well so that the dough doesn't stick to it. When you're done oiling your dough, cover the bowl with a cling wrap. Since I have a cold kitchen, my oven serves as a proofing station. I place the bowl inside and I only keep the light on. Proof your dough for an hour or until the size doubles. I will be making 2 things out of my dough today, so I will be dividing it into 2 portions. One dough will be for a thin crust bacon and cheese pizza and the other half will be for Stromboli. Please do check out for the part 2 of this video. It will be a Stromboli recipe. I placed a link in the description box below. My pizza dough tends to stick to this pan, so I usually apply a little amount of oil. But if you don't find any problem with your pan, you may skip this part. Start stretching and spreading your pizza dough onto the pan. This is a pretty great dough, so shaping it won't be difficult. If you prefer a thick crust pizza, you don't need to divide the dough like I did. Using the entire dough will give you a thick crust pizza. Poke the dough using a fork to pop some air bubbles out. I will be using a zucchini sauce for my pizza base today. You may use any other pizza sauce that you like. Then spread a generous amount of mozzarella cheese onto your dough. For my toppings, I will be adding white onion, red bell pepper, bacon, and some feta cheese. There are several options for pizza toppings. You may add mushroom, pepperoni, black olives, green pepper, sausage, ham, and many more. So feel free to add any of your favorite toppings for your pizza. Now we're ready to bake our pizza on a preheated oven at 220 degrees for 15 minutes. And here is our bacon and cheese pizza. I hope you like our video today and please do check out my Stromboli video. Thank you for joining me and I will see you in our next cooking episode. Until next time, bye!